Hi guys, all right, it's time for calendar again. So this is our second day in September calendar. So open up to a page in your calendar that says September. Remember, we're not in August anymore. So we don't need a page that says August. We need a page that says September, like we did yesterday. So find a page in your calendar that says September and get out a crayon, a pencil, or a marker, something to write with. All right. So we said that it is a new month and that it is called what? Say it with me. September. September. Good. That's our new month. We counted yesterday and we know that there are more letters in September than there are in August because it's a longer word. But we're going to count again to see how many letters are in the word September. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to see 9 on your fingers. And if you don't know how to show me 9 on your fingers, we'll count together. So let's count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what 9 looks like on your fingers. Wiggle them for me. 9. Good. All right. So we know that it is September the 2nd, because it's the second day in September, 2020. Good. All right, let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Sing it with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good. So yesterday was Tuesday. We know that. And if yesterday was Tuesday, today is what day of the week? Wednesday. Good. And what did I say that we can do in our head or sing out loud if we can't remember what order the days come in? We can sing our song. So if today is Wednesday, then tomorrow will be Thursday. Good. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All right. You should have a crayon, a pencil, or a marker, something to write with so that we can fill out our calendar notebook. So we said that it is a new month and it is called, say it with me, September. Good. So we need to trace September at the top. So get your marker, your crayon, or your pencil and start tracing the word September at the top of your calendar. Just like I did. September. Good. And we said that there are how many letters in September? Who remembers? If you remember, tell a friend, mom or dad, how many letters are in September. All right. It says the date today is September what? How many days have we said? How many circles do we have up here? We have 2 circles, so it's been the second day in September. So we're going to write a 2 because today is September the 2nd. Just like this. Now we're going to come over here and it wants to know what number month out of the 12 is September. So that we said that September is number what? If August was number 8 and September comes after August, then what number is September? 9. It's the 9th month out of the year. So we're going to write 9 in our first box. And in the middle, it wants to know how many days in September we've had. So this is the second day in September. So we're going to put a 2 in the second box to show how many days we've had in September. And then in our last box, it wants to know the year. So the year is 2020. So we're going to make a 20. We have to have a 2 and a 0. And the 2 comes first and the 0 comes last. Just like this. All right. So we said that yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, then today is Wednesday. So we're going to put a box around Wednesday. Just like that. Wednesday's in the middle. Now it's time to make our pattern. We know that we're going to be using 2 different colors. So that's called a what type of pattern? AB. So I'm going to go ahead and put AB in that box because I know that that's what type of pattern we're going to make. AB. And the colors that I'm using for my pattern today are purple and yellow. So I'm going to start with purple for my first circle. And then my next circle is going to be yellow. So I'm going to do purple, yellow, purple, yellow. And I'm going to keep going and rotating just like that. Purple, yellow. And keep on switching them. Purple, yellow. My last circle is going to be yellow. And I know that I can't have 2 yellows or 2 purples together because that means it's not an AB pattern. If I'm making a pattern, that means the colors have to switch. So this is what my pattern looks like. How many purples do I have in my pattern? Who can count how many purples? Let's count them together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 purples in my pattern. How many yellows do I have? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 yellows and I have 4 purples in my AB pattern. Good. All right. Now in our circle, it wants to know what our number of the day is. Yesterday, our number was 7. So today, our number will be 8 because 8 comes after 7. So we're going to write 8 in our circle. And I draw my 8 and it looks like a snowman. So I can do 1 small circle and 1 bigger circle to make my 8. It kind of looks like a snowman. And now it wants me to count my apples to 8. So I'm going to count 8 apples and I'm going to color only 8 of them. I don't need to color anymore, only 8. So let's count together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 8 apples that I colored. 8 apples. All right. Now it wants to know what our shape of the day is. Yesterday, our shape of the day was a square. And we said that a square has how many sides? It has 4 sides. And then how many corners? Who remembers what a corner is? A corner is the, what? The sharp edges. So how many corners are there on a square? There were 4 sides and 4 corners. Good. So today, our shape of the day is going to be a circle. So we're going to draw a circle in that box because it's our shape of the day. So let's look at our circle. Do you see any sides? Are there any straight lines on a circle? I don't see any straight lines on that circle. Were there any pointy edges on a circle? No, a circle is smooth and it has no lines or no corners, does it? It's just one big smooth circle like that. So I don't have any lines to draw or any corners to draw, do I? Nope. All right. Now it says, show the mystery number with tally marks. So our mystery number was 8. It's our number of the day. So we're going to draw 8 tally marks. And tally marks, if you forgot, are straight lines. And what did we say? That after we get to 4 and we have to do 5, what do we do with that 5th tally mark? We have to do what with it? We have to cross it over and make a new bundle. So let's count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 tally marks. So when I get to 5, I have to cross over. So let's cross over. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my 8 tally marks. Do you see how I crossed over when I got to 5 and I started another bundle? That's 8 tally marks. That's what yours should look like. All right. Now we're going to look at our daily domino. And over here on our daily domino, we need to be thinking about 2 numbers that we can put together that make 8. So be thinking in your head, what are 2 numbers that we could add together? Add means put together to make 8. So let's think. Let's say I start with 4 dots on one side. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, just like this. Say I start with 4 dots over here on one side of my domino. If I have 4 dots, how many more do I need to get to 8? How am I going to figure that out? If I have 4 and I need to get to 8, how many more do I need? Let's count up. So if we count up, we're going to show 4 on our fingers because that's how many we already have. And we're going to count up to see how many more we need. You ready? So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I have 4, then I need how many more to get to 8? I need 4 more to get to 8. So on the other side of my domino, I'm going to put 4, just like I did on one side. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like this. So when I add 4 on one side and 4 on the other side, I get 8 all together. There are 8 dots there all together. Good. All right. Now over here wants to know how many days have we been in school? This is the 8th day of school. So we're going to put an 8 in that triangle. And how did I say that you can make an 8? It kind of looks like a what? A snowman. So this is what yours should look like when you're finished. If your calendar looks like mine, give me a thumbs up. That means you're done with calendar for today. Good job.